Hi, good morning everyone. I am Jella Tolentino and I'll be discussing parallel systems versus distributed and network systems. Parallel systems. A system is said to be a parallel system in which multiple processors have direct access to shared memory, which forms a common address space. As shown on the diagram, four processor has been associated with one memory, meaning this four processor is being shared by this memory. Example of this would be the terminal with a single server and the supercomputers. Advantages of parallel system. First, it provides concurrency, meaning multiple users can do um, multiple tasks at the same time. Cost and time saving. One of the main advantage of parallel system would be its speed. That's why it saves time and cost. It provides user-friendly programming, taking advantage of non-local resources. For distributed systems, a system is said to be distributed if it is a collection of independent computers interconnected via network and capable of collaborating on a task. As shown in the figure, we have, let's say, four sets of computer with its own memory and they are connected to each other. Example of this would be the internet or intranet and the ATM machines. So we transfer or get money from the ATM anywhere and anytime. So same with here in our office, we share our files from one computer to another via network. So example of distributed system, as I said, this would be the internet and ATM. So advantages of distributed system, information and resource sharing. So in terms of hardware, like printers, multiple user can use that printer as long as it is connected to that printer, as long as that multiple computer is connected to that printer. Same with the software, like the files or the libraries, the compilers, the databases, or even the what do you call this? The cooperative work we do like groupware. So we can do that. So shorter response, meaning the time of execution is very short. Higher reliability. Since it has a higher reliability, it is also possible that if one computer fails, the other computer connected to it will also fail. So better price and performance ratio. Example of this would be the users who used to do hardware sharing. So they do that for their convenience and for reduction costs. Better flexibility and transparency. So to compare it further, distributed system and parallel system. First, for distributed system, it is referred to as loosely coupled system, meaning processors do not share memory and each processor has its own local memory. Parallel system is referred to as tightly coupled system. Tightly coupled means a single system-wide primary memory shared by all the processors. Distributed system has a larger number of processors that can be usefully deployed. While for parallel, it has a very small number of processors can be usefully deployed. No global clock control for distributed, while global clock control is being used for controlling SIMD and MIMD on parallel system. So the main focus of distributed system would be the performance, reliability or availability, information and resource sharing. While for the parallel system, they will focus on performance and scientific computing. So I hope this video helped you understand the basic stuff about the difference of distributed system and parallel system. Thank you.